Right, in this video we are taking off the bottom of the Inspiron 16 Plus, so let's get cracking with it. So these two screws here don't come out, you can leave them in, just makes it easier for you to kind of peel it off. What I advise though is using some prying tools. Once you got it open, you have access to all your components. So here you have an 86 watt hour battery. So you have your two fans, you have access to your DDR5 RAM. And again, to remove these, it's pretty simple. You just pull aside on each angle, and then you can simply remove the RAM stick. And to put back in, you just simply put it back in, like so. And then you've got your M.2 SSD, which again, using the same screw, you can actually remove. Just undo that screw. Right, let's put the case back on. Simply just grab the case, place it over its position, and simply press down in all the areas. Make sure everything is securely back in. And then start by screwing these two screws in first. And that's it. The device is now ready to go again.